Hi guys, welcome back. Earlier today I filmed a video on my laser hair removal. I shouldn't even be in the sun right now, but now we are at Footage. This is a consignment store where Dom has some of his shoes. How many pairs of shoes do you think you have here?
Like 2 something, something around there.
So today he's dropping off how many pairs?
Like 4 or 5.
4 or 5 pairs. This is all going towards the Ring Foundation, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Or Future House, whichever one. So I'll film how it is inside. It looks pretty cool. If you guys haven't been in a consignment store or have no idea what it is, it's basically like it's a store that sells your shoes for you. They keep a percentage, of course, because without them you probably wouldn't make the sale.
They're doing all the legwork.
Yes, there it is. Right now he's just like cleaning off some shoes so that way they look a little bit nicer.
Laser Force.
Okay. How much do you think that you're gonna get for all of these shoes? What shoes do you have with you? Let's see. Let me flip this over. Oh wait, I can't flip it.
I'm getting rid of today. Laser Force. All the EQTs.
Wait, show them again. Wow, those are nice. Why are you getting rid of them?
Because I don't wear them.
Because I don't wear them.
All the Nevias.
Yeah, those could go.
NMDs.
Nice. So wait, how much did you say you're like for all of these?
Well, I don't know. I'll see. I decide like once I get in there. These ones, I'm keeping these though.
Ooh, those are really bright. I like those.
I love these.
Are those basketball shoes?
No, they're HTM trainers. They're like an older shoe.
They're cool. I like them. I need to get out of the sun, otherwise
Okay, go inside.
I'm gonna get hyperpigmentation. After me?
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Latest update, Dominic, it's 5:30.
Nice.
Want me to write that out for you?
You want anything?
You getting a check?
You want something?
$530?
Do you want something?
No, it's okay. Thanks though. I think they sold.
I want to spend $400 on that.
I did.
That's like the only shoe that I've been wanting. It's really nice.
Is this where you write the type of shoe?
Yeah. Shoe, price,
Condition?
condition, all that jazz.
Those ones were nice. Surprised you're selling those.
I wear the white 3s more, so I figure there's no point. I always go for the white 3s, so.
Go in and get paid just like that?
Yeah, it's easy.
This was from other stuff, obviously, right?
Yeah.
You're never curious, like, to know what it is that sold?
I check every here and there. It's like, I'm just happy to come and pick up money.
Oh, thanks. I think everyone would be happy to come pick up money if it was that easy.
I guess so.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Footage again, and this is gonna be like part 2 of our Footage trip. Except today's gonna be a little more exciting because
You're getting something?
I'm getting something this time. What are the shoes called that I'm getting? What are they called?
You don't know?
I know they're NMDs, but like
They're the OG NMD.
OG NMD.
It's the first colorway that came out.
I'm so excited. He had like this urge to spend money on shoes and decided to
Spend it on you.
spend it on me. So I guess here we go. Online you said it was showing it for $250, and they have them for $212 in store.
Oh, he said 212 in store.
So we're gonna see if we can get them for $200.
And
Have they showed pictures yet? I haven't seen anything.
not really. I can show you.
Yes, let me see.
really supposed to show you.
Is it a big collection again?
4 skate highs.
It's not so much different. Okay, got my shoes.
Yeah, show the other side.
Thank you. Wait, hold on. It's kind of hard, you know, when I'm doing it by myself. I mean the other side. Hey. Hey.
Happy?
I am happy. Couldn't really like record that much because they were like talking about other kinds of shoes and stuff. And then I felt like awkward. I don't like recording people without getting permission. That pretty much wraps up today's video, part 2 of our journey to footage. As always, thank you for taking the time out of your day to spend time with us on our day. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you're a sneakerhead, and like and subscribe for more videos.